Welcome back to the third video of the fourth module on-chain monitoring, reporting, and verification. And in this video, we're going to share a little bit on how you can share your results transparently with your funders and the community members. So data on-chain is only valuable if it's accessible and understandable. The final piece of MRV is turning raw records into meaningful communication. If you went up to an average person on the street, they probably wouldn't know how to read blockchain transactions directly. They might want a dashboard, visualizations, and summaries that make the data comprehensible. The best blockchain-based impact reporting combines the verifiable raw data with human-readable presentations. This might look like a public dashboard showing program metrics in real time with links to the underlying blockchain records for anyone who wants to verify. Impact NFTs that donors receive linked to specific outcomes they helped achieve with cryptographic proof of those outcomes embedded. Annual reports that include QR codes or links to on-chain verifications of key claims. APIs that let researchers and journalists query your impact data directly for independent analysis. The communication around blockchain verified impact matters. Leading with blockchain can sound like hype. Leading with independently verified and transparent connects to values people care about. So here are a few considerations as you implement on-chain MRV. Number one is that privacy matters. Some impact data involves sensitive information about beneficiaries. Careful design ensures transparency without compromising privacy. Zero-knowledge proofs, a really cool mechanism within Web3 and other cryptographic techniques, can verify claims without revealing underlying personal data. The next thing is that consistency matters. One-off verified reports are less compelling than ongoing transparent practices. Building MRV into your operational DNA, and not just special campaigns here and there, creates lasting credibility. And finally, narrative matters. Data alone doesn't inspire. The stories behind the numbers, communicated alongside with the verification, are what connect with donors and stakeholders emotionally. So ultimately, blockchain-based MRV is about moving from "we did good work" to "here's your proof, and you can verify it yourself." That shifts the relationship between organizations and their supporters from one of trust to one of verified confidence. Thanks so much for watching the fourth module on-chain monitoring, reporting, and verification, and we'll see you in the next video, the fifth module, where we're going to talk about Web3 applications for human rights and activism. We'll see you there.